Asadia's phonics explanation.
Long, U, sound. Please, study what is coming.
Please, listen carefully to the long U sound in the word fuse.
Fuse. Fuse. Fuse.
This is what we call the long sound in U. Now, you should know that there are 5 forms which you can make the long U sound with.
What are they?
I will not tell you what they are now, but I will say 5 examples for each form, and I would like you to say what it is.
Form 1.
Listen and say, after me, loudly. Rule.
Fuse.
Tube.
Dune.
Tune. Have you got it?
Yes. Form 1 is U, E, and a consonant between them.
Well done.
Form 2.
Listen and say, after me, loudly. Poo.
Loop.
Stoop.
Root.
Tool.
What do you think form 2 is?
Form 2 is O, O.
Good job.
Form 3.
Listen and say, after me, loudly. Soup.
Group.
Droop.
Youth.
Through.
What about form 3?
Form 3 is O, U.
Right.
Form 4.
Listen and say, after me, loudly. Fruit.
Suit.
Cruise.
Fluid.
Juice.
Have you got form 4?
Yes. Form 4 is U, I.
Well done.
Form 5.
Listen and say, after me, loudly. Few.
Drew.
New.
Blue.
Screw.
What is the 5th form?
It is EW at the end.
Good job.
Now, it is time to practice.
Please do what it is requested on the worksheet.
Salam.